Okay guys, today we got some packages from YSL Classic. This is the items. Case for pocophone F1, MEA2 lite, Redmi 3 Pro, MEA2 lite again, pocophone F1, and MEA1 A1 2. This is the list of the item. Okay, and charging cable. Okay, let's check it out. This is for unboxing video 2. If something happen, this video I used to prove and to complain, but I hope we never complain, because this is easy to do. This is a standard procedure to opening. Oh, so easy to open. Okay, empty, right? First, okay. Second is MEA2. This is pocophone F1. Cable charging. A2 lite. Okay. Pocophone F1. Good. MEA1. MEA1 2. Okay. I think it's okay. Let's see again. MEA1. MEA1 2. Okay. MEA1. Charging cable. Okay. The box head for old phone. Case koper. Yeah. Good. This is for A2 lite. MEA2 lite. And this both of these of MEA2 lite different with MEA1 is the position of the camera, and then Redmi 3 Pro, this one, only one. Okay, pocophone F1, pocophone F1, pocophone F1 with the anticrack, this, and the black series normal. Okay, wow, this store is good. Some items is rare enough, and all is good. Thank you for watching.